This is Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Good morning. Here's your cruise news for Thursday, January 16th. Cruise canceled. Princess Cruises announced that Regal Princess will enter dry dock in Rotterdam in late April for scheduled maintenance. Now, this is resulting in the cancellation of one cruise and modifying another itinerary. The company did say that the ship remains fully operational and safe for all scheduled voyages leading up into the dry dock. The two itineraries that have been impacted are the April 18th sailing from Southampton that has been shortened from 10 days to 6 days. And then the April 28th voyage that has been canceled altogether. Both sailings will either receive a prorated refund or a full refund, plus compensation for airline changes. Regal Princess will resume service on May 9th with British Isle itineraries from Southampton. The ship first experienced issues during a transatlantic cruise from Southampton to Galveston last fall and eventually had to be taken out of service for emergency repairs. And Silversea Cruises Silver Ray is reporting a gastrointestinal outbreak during its 16-night sailing from Lima, Peru to Fort Lauderdale. 38 passengers and 5 crew members are sick and triggered CDC reporting requirements. Now, the ship has increased sanitation and isolation measures with further cleaning planned on its arrival to Port Everglades on January 20th. No delays are expected for the next sailing. And cruise stocks were up on Wednesday. Carnival Corporation up 1.8%, 24.94. Royal Caribbean up 1.2%, 232.55. Norwegian up slightly, 26.02. And Viking up 2.5%, 44.49. This week's Cruise Radio podcast, a review of Carnival Dream, can be found where you stream your favorite podcast. If you have a lead on a story, let us know. tips@cruiseradio.net. Have yourself a great Thursday. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today.